Good afternoon. This is Wagschicago. You're gonna stand by for this one. The radar is one frame I caught. They put it up there. I just see it. Anyways, something underneath the windshield wiper flashed. Spurg boy caught it. And there's a lot of doohicking going on underneath it. See how that works? Let me move this down here. This is Wagschicago. Welcome to my channel. This is Scott Wagner. I do radar, etc. And about 30 years of this garbage. The only patterns I don't do. I'm not a gynecologist or PhD or anything like that. So welcome to the channel. Here we go. Go to wagschicago.com. I also got my mugs and all that garbage, but it's just for memes. So do you. All right, check this garbage out. Watch this. I'm going to move off the screen a little bit here. You got to see this garbage. I need this thing. I got to move it up here. Sorry about that. I don't really got it. Watch this garbage. Watch this. So we go back. This is a last I'll tell you the time, right? Remember the doohickey windshield wipers? See how that works? See it going by? But well, Wag sees something. Oh my. This is at 18th day of April. The year is 222. That I believe. And the hour of this was at 9:00 on the head. UTC. So let's take a look at this doohickey. That's underneath the windshield wiper, according to this radar. I don't know. No, I'm just saying I see patterns, but and if you look at the frame before and after, there's no storm there. See how that works? Not that you know of. See how that is? That's empty water right here. See this space? See that little doohickey? Looks like a boot. Watch this garbage. Go back one frame. That boot fills in with a lot of data, let's say. That's right off the south coast of Alaska. See how that works? Is that because that's like near Washington State? Like you're getting near that fault line garbage. See how that works? Just saying, I don't know nothing. I'm just an asshole with a tablet that sees freaking patterns. And then right after they juice it, every time, by the way, hey, watch this. Every time they do juice this thing, that thing goes by. Watch this. You think I'm kidding, but I'm not. Watch this. All right, so there's the doohickey, right? So watch here. You're gonna see the United States and Mexico get gas. It looks like ice crystals. Watch this. So this doohickey just went off. Now watch the bottom of. Watch the United States how it turns a different color. Watch this. Soon after, watch this. Doohickey up, clouds change, and kaboom! A big ice storm. It looks like ice. I don't know what it is. I'm not gonna kind of like I said, but I wish somebody would answer this garbage. Like what is this garbage? See how that works? And then look at these creepy looking clouds coming in over the United States or Canada up there. See how that works? Wow. And then let's go to my channel real quick. See if you think you're new to my channel. Yesterday I did the Class X solar flare or whatever day this was. Look at these freaking numbers 616. The next video, midnight review 2636. Look at those minutes there. Then we get back to radar. See this doohickey you're looking at right here. Remember when it was freaking out? You guys may want to go back on the radar, take a look around for a couple days. I've been doing this for years, but I got tons of videos about this garbage. Not like this though. This is incredibly weird. Then go back what day. It doesn't even matter. This is on the last few days. India. Remember India had the doohickey right here? It was so powerful. Whatever. This is in the Capricorn belt. If you don't know what that is, but look it up. That's where the sun goes in its track, right? Whatever. Never mind. Anyways, they also had the ring of death. Remember this? India. This is a couple days ago. This is all this week, like in the last 10 days. Then look, I got here. Oh, light switch just activated. That's by me. There's forest fires, but there ain't none. The radar thinks it is. Here's some untitled ones I haven't put up yet. Portal Energy Pulse DC. Remember that one a couple days ago? See this doohickey right there? It ended up making the same one that was in Egypt. This one's 109. Look at the time on here. Look at these times. Look at this. And by the way, they compress all this, so you can't even try to fake this. Like 1109, they do their own data compression. 1109, 119. See how that work? Just talking to a friend of mine now. That number's in my face all the time. See how that work? Fifth Gen War. I don't know what this guy's thinking about, but Cuba radar was reaching out and touching the United States right by New Orleans a couple of days ago. Then it go. This is within days. Like I don't know why my channels only got 2 views. I don't get it. Like 112, that's a weird number. 723, really? 23. You got God's number to 7 and 23, right? 23 is protection. See how that works? From God or whatever you call the ether. Like you do you. Radar jam. Oh, this is when I first caught this dude. We gotta see this mother. Watch this. This is going back a few days. We're gonna pull this one up. Here's Wagschicago. What day is this garbage? Radar's jammed again. This is the second time I caught it. What day is this doohickey on? See the doohickey going across? See that black? Normally they don't let no juice come through, but you could see. But this time they did. I don't even know what day this is. Hang on. How come this is so difficult all of a sudden? See, now I'm slowing down. And you see this radar kicks in, they start slowing you down. Anyway, here, April 10th. See how that works? Hang on, I gotta back this up. So on the 10th, I caught it, I think, the second time. This is going back about a week now. See, or 10 days, whatever. So I'm just saying, go through my channel. But here, I want to get the one where I saw that halo. See, it is right because I got some news I want to show you next. Remember the halo over Hawaii I did? Hang on, where is it? And don't forget my souls over the sun. See how that works on the last X flare about the 30th. Remember that, dude? Look at my number here. 332. Are you effing serious? Really? Here's 433, right? The class X Satan flare. See how that goes? You guys got to go look at this garbage. Like, here's 2228. See how that works? 328. All to deal with this energy and the demons coming out of the sun, if that's what you see, like their patterns. See how that works? Here's my halo. This is one I got to show you. Cuba radar, I was calling it, because that's also happening at the same time. 9:39 a.m. I did this video on March 29th. The day, this is the night before the blast, the last X flare. See how that works? Because now, since the last X Flare 2 nights ago, they had a weird halo doohickey dance in the sky. Some amateur asshole caught too with his camera. See how that works? We're going to go to that if I don't forget. But watch this garbage. Wags is on the scene looking at 4:30 in the morning. Wakes up, go take a piss. I see this radar dancing on my screen. I'm like, what the hell is this garbage? I thought it was nothing at the time. Let's take a look here. Hang on. Am I allowed to play my own video for copyright garbage? I think so. And by the way, if you're another channel, feel free to use my stuff. I'm not going to hit you copyright.
Today's the 29th day of March.
Yeah, I got no internet. See how that works?
The year's 222, they tell you.
You start talking about this garbage.
I can't believe what I'm looking at here. I got to move my picture up over here. I'm on the Goes West camera. Satellite doohickey, you know what I'm saying? I've never seen this ever in
hang on, let me fast forward this garbage. Hang on. You don't want to hear all this yakety yak guy. You can go back and play the video. Hang on. Where is it? 323. Right there at 323 into my video. Are you serious? Frame number 23. Look at this. Are you serious? Anyways, this is a halo over northwest of Hawaii. See how that works? So check this out. Weird. Where was this? Did I post it? Hang on. I think I just did. Hang on. I was trying to post it from my phone. I'm still getting used to the phone. And you never used to put these apps on my phone. I hate this garbage, but it's 2022. You know what? You might as well do what you got to do. See how that works? Oh, I already made a shirt about that. Never mind. It's 2022. Do you, right? See how that works? And I got no internet. See how that works? Every time I do this radar, I get no internet. It was really quick when I first started. Isn't this weird? Hang on. Where's my guard? Look how long. Look, I can't even see my hands no more. See how that works? What am I doing? Why is it going wherever it wants to go? See how that works? It just does whatever the fuck it wants to do. See how that works? Oh, by the way, welcome NASA, because I know you're going to be watching this video. I'm going to send it to you. See how that works? Just what's the halo? What's all the juice? I didn't even show you the one with the infrared light out of your tracking doohickey, whatever the obelisk you're using. Let's say if we're talking satellites, you got an obelisk over the USA that goes about 6,000 miles an hour, by the way. If my math is right, I'm just an asshole with a tablet. I don't really know math. Oh, here's another doohickey to add to your stars and garbage. This is this month. If you look to the east at night, see how that works? You got Jupiter, Venus, Mars, Saturn, and then some big comet that's bigger than the world ever seen in world history, aiming right at America, or not at the Earth. See how that works? But whatever. Let's go to space weather. or not. See, I have no internet. I hope they're not gonna do a doohickey dance. See, 2994 here's coming around the corner. These are the ones that did the Class X flare on the 30th. The one I just showed you, the Halo, the day before that happened. And but I thought this was a new one. Look at this garbage. On the 17th, Sunspot Complex AR 2993. Isn't that weird? 9993 and a 2. See how that works? With a 9-4 at the end. Really? Anyways, this is the ether. Appeared and promptly exploded. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory. By the way, they had the wheel within seconds. I'm like, you almost like you knew ahead of time. Oh, and that gets weird too since you're watching NASA. Hang on. Let's get back to Facebook because your time's off. Oh, I'll just let you know you got better computers than me. They got this going off. I believe it was at 3:34 a.m. UTC or whatever. 0334. See how that works? Look at the scalar waves. Is that scale or is that gravitational waves, meteorologist? Because that I believe you there too. See how that works? Those look like angels and demons to me, but whatever. You're nasty. You got that snake coming out of your logo. You know what you're talking about. This is your lords you're talking about. So let's get back to this garbage. Anyway, hang on. I want to show you this big round doohickey coming. See these big chicken pox looking things? Each one of these holes, by the way, is about to be a double barrel shotgun pointing in your face. I got an hour-long video coming out about this. So that thing, that hole you're looking at, that pock mark, is bigger than Earth. Both of them. So you got two Earths looking at you full of gas. If those two arc in the next 3 days, because in the next 3 days, this is going to be direct hit to the Earth. See, if that farts, and then the other one farts at the same time, and the two line. They ever take a like your toaster and put a wire from one end to when you're a kid to see how it works, and then you fry your freaking hands up? That's what happens to the sun when you took two Earths full of gas, and then magnetically you connect the two freaking poles. See how they were? These two little doohickey electrical things. See how they work? And then you're gonna have a boom. They're gonna tell you that, and then that doohickey with the obelisk, hopefully he'll catch it. See how they work? Or something else happens, but they're gonna blame it on this garbage. On the, those look like anal warts or something. See how that works? I'm not a doctor, but somebody was looking that up. That's why it's in my head. I'm like, what is that doing on your phone? Nobody, I not like then. Well, it's a long story, but we had a party the other day and people were talking. See how that works? It's not my own personal problem. I don't do that garbage. Hang on, what we got here? Let's get back to my Facebook. See how that works? I want to show you this. Oh, I'm gonna save the video. I got the Devils and Demons video coming out, and it ties. There's three of them. You got the two X flares, and we got another doohickey. Remember September of a certain year. I'll be back. This is Wagschicago. This is very creepy shit, or not, but it is. Oh my! Have a great day, everybody. Don't look up because NASA's telling you.